I tell somebody that where we are is usually known as a press building. That's the name of the building. We're changing that building's name today to Ideal Building. And it's ideal for technology and entrepreneurship promotion in South Jersey. We're not talking just Pleasantville, Atlantic County, but the whole South Jersey.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rachel Diaz, and I'm your Ms. Philippines Queen of the World 2023. I'm so excited to be a part of such a monumental event here at Ideal Institute. We at Ocean Inc. are very happy to be able to provide help and assistance to these beautiful, amazing, and talented youth of Atlantic City here in New Jersey. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Najib Munir. I'm here with the Workforce Development in Pleasantville, New Jersey at the groundbreaking of Ideal Institution of Technology in Pleasantville, New Jersey. It's been a wonderful event. It's been a great turnout. I'm super excited to see all the things that Ideal is able to do for the local community here in Pleasantville, New Jersey. And I can't wait to work with Ren, Roderick, the whole green team and everybody else. They do a phenomenal job here locally, and I know that we'll be able to tackle a lot of the issues that we have here concerning some of the youth and getting them employed and ready for pretty much direct the next journey of their life. So I know myself being a program monitor for the Atlantic County Workforce Development Team, we're really excited to see the next endeavor that Ren and Ideal Institution of Technology will bring. Can't say enough about the groundbreaking today here at the Press Building in Pleasantville, New Jersey, and look forward to seeing all the big things that you guys will be taking care of. Thank you.
Hi, this is Francis Kuhn. I'm the Executive Director of the Atlantic County Workforce Development Board. I'm here to just congratulate the Ideal Institute of Technology on the groundbreaking today and really support and encourage the youth that are part of this program to continue building it and making it the wonderful program that it is. We're thrilled to be part of that process, and we're wishing Ideal nothing but success going forward.
I'm John Risley. I'm Chairman of the Atlantic County Board of Commissioners. Very happy to be here today. We're all about economic opportunities, economic growth here in Atlantic County. We know the challenges that we have being geographically located as we are, but we work very hard to promote opportunities for our residents here in Atlantic County and the surrounding area. Education, job skills, training, we're all behind that 110% Atlantic County, which is evidenced by the different things we're doing here in Atlantic County.
I'm Cynthia Torres. I am the youth supervisor for the Workforce Development Board. So many of the youth that I work with are actually attending Ideal, and many of the youth have come out successful and have attained high school diplomas, certifications, and employment. And in the end, that's the goal, is to set them up for future success. And I'm thankful that Ideal's given them that opportunity.
I'm Bill Davenport. I'm from Cape May County. I'm retired. I'm very active in veterans and educational affairs. We had Ren on the Welcome Home Veterans Show last Saturday. He introduced us to this project and many other projects he's been doing for recently, and we were very happy and proud of what Ren is doing with this building and all his other projects in educating our youth and young adults.
Good afternoon, my name is Joe Griffiths. I'm the host of the Welcome Home Veterans Radio Show. I am a Vietnam veteran. We have been doing our radio show for 12 years. Last Saturday we had Ren on talking about this great building that's being dedicated today to groundbreaking. Being a veteran, what most important about this building, this school, this teaching facility is going to be that veterans will be able to come here. They were able to learn technology, skills, trades, communications, all different kind of jobs. And when we can have buildings like this that can take our veterans that are suicidal and homeless and give them a hope to live a hope someday to have a good job and buy a home, a hope to want to survive and live and not take their life. It's buildings like this that could put a dent in the homeless population of our veterans, the homeless population of our regular citizens, and too many of our people taking their lives because they have no hope. This is a building of hope that will train people, educate people, give them good lives, can have a family, can have a roof over their head, and it all comes about on account of a building like this. And we support it 100%. Thank you.